I'd ridden a few Vëlosummer routes in the past, but this was the first time I rode all of them. And I think what struck me the most was how many people out there love Vëlosummer. And these weren't just fair weather riders, because Luxembourg weather can be, well, Luxembourg weather.
This is some liquidy sunshine here.
On some rides, local organizations set up food and drink stops.
Eisenkoek. Eisenkoek. Like
Like a cake.
a cake. Eisenkoek.
The Vëlosummer routes themselves were terrific, taking in all of Luxembourg's regions. From the Moselle to the Aeslick, the Manette, to the Mullertal, the Gutland, and Luxembourg City. Like I say, lots of people love Vëlosummer. Maybe none more so than this guy.
So this is Adam. Adam, how old are you? 15?
Yes, exactly.
Exactly. Hey man, how's it going?
Like a lot of us here, Adam rode all 13 Vëlosummer routes. Not surprisingly, our paths crossed several times. He was always full of good cheer and enthusiasm for cycling.
There's a downhill. It's going like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Really fast?
Yep.
That kind of good cheer and passion for cycling is exactly what comes to mind when I think of Vëlosummer. I don't know about you, but I can't wait for Vëlosummer 2025.
And he shouted, no.
Okay.